Today is my little daughter's birthday, but we're not gonna do like a big birthday celebration today. We're gonna do it in a few days. Today we're just getting a simple lunch, and we are getting what I think is maybe a must-try dish. Vietnam does have a huge Chinese history in there, so there's no surprise that there's great Chinese food here. Today I'm gonna show you two dishes I think are two of the best dim sum dishes I have ever tried. So freaking good. We're over here at District 7, Vivo Mall, and we're gonna check out Golden Jade right now, which has some bangers on the menu. Let's go look at our little birthday girl, my 5-year-old daughter. I'm so upset. I'm so upset. She's so big. Oh, we're gonna wait another day to have her real birthday, but today she looks so good. So we've had some really good dim sum around the city, and I can't say that Golden Jade is the best dim sum overall, but the one dish they have, this like shrimp rice roll thing, is the best piece of dim sum I've ever had. There's another spot in D1, that's a very famous dim sum spot. I haven't tried it yet though. I forget what it's called. I'm sure you've heard about it here. I'm like, oh, num noi. You ready, JD? Come on. You wanna sit with Liam? Liam and who else? With mommy or daddy? Okay, let's go. She wants to sit with Daddy and Liam. Okay. Oh, you looking at the menu there? Is there anything in particular you want besides the shrimp roll?
I don't know what to order.
You don't know what to order. You want me to order? Oh, okay. I'll look at the menu, okay? I know the two things we're definitely gonna get, but why don't you see if there's any pictures you're excited about, okay? Because you can pick. This one's with shrimp. We're gonna get the shrimp one over here. We can get another shrimp one if you really want. Baked spares and mandarin sauce. I mean, I'm sure Mommy will like that. You wanna try that? I have to get this for Mommy.
Wait, what about the drink?
The drink? You can get a drink too. Oh no, bummer. I thought here, but the one thing that looks really good, they don't have it. She wants this pork rib thing we never tried, which looks good. I'm sure you're gonna like it. I am hungry. Here, let me show you the two things you have to get here. If you come, and you should come. This is the winners of winners, the best thing dim sum I've ever had. It doesn't look great on the picture, but it's a black sesame roll with fried shrimp on the inside. Incredible. And the other thing that's also incredible is this cold chicken salad. It's not very spicy. Don't be scared about the spice, but it's moist and tender. Super fantastic. A must order. Okay, baby. Emily, anh ơi, cho anh một bánh xếp, một bánh cuốn mì đen, một xuân kín đổ, một cá sốt cay, một cơm chiên xí đào, và một chén cơm trắng. I think that's it. Come on. Oh, I'm so hungry. You excited? I'm excited you ordered two new things. Usually we get this green fried rice, which is really good, really good. Yeah, but she wanted the soy, so we'll try the standard one. Liam, you excited? Oh, bro, I'm hungry. JD, how does it feel to turn 5?
I feel happy.
You feel happy. I feel sad.
I feel sad too.
Come on.
I feel sad.
Oh, finally Mommy starts to feel sad. She didn't feel sad. Good. Let's have another baby. We make a sister for JD. When we do JD's real birthday, we're gonna go to Capybara Cafe. We're gonna go pet a capybara.
Again.
But it's a rainy day. Today's not a good day to go out. It's very misty, and it's probably gonna be like wet the whole day. So we're gonna wait another day to do that. I was gonna say the one thing I dislike about this spot and all dim sum spots, it's just the drinks are always expensive. It's like the water's always expensive, and then you're drinking hot tea, I don't know, and then the vegetables are always expensive. So we don't get vegetables and we never get enough liquid.
It doesn't taste like Alba.
It's better than Alba, this water. Good, we got a new water brand we're trying, Peninsula. But the bottle's small. I can chug that bottle in 4 seconds. All right, you like it? Good water.
Love it.
You love it? Hands are shaking. I need to eat. I haven't eaten anything yet today.
Wow, your wine's like red.
Yeah, I tried to match with my little girl. I thought you just look so pretty. I want to match as much as I can, girly pie. JD, believe me, I'm very hungry.
I'm starving.
JD, I have wonderful news. It's coming, girl. Hooray. Come on. Ooh, that looks so good. Ooh, a new rib dish. This one we've never had before. This fried rice we've never had before. It's just like, they're basic fried rice though. This is the freaking winner. This cold, spicy chicken. Oh my God. Is this good? JD can't help it. She's going. She's hungry.
I'm starving.
Yes, that is good. Wow.
I want to try it.
That's good fried rice. Yes, my wife is shocked.
Wow.
My wife is very, very picky about fried rice, but this is fantastic fried rice. It's so good. It was your choice, and it's so good. This might be the best fried rice I've had. Okay, thank you. Wow, JD, thank you very much. This is the other one you ordered, JD. I think Mommy's gonna like this rib thing. Wow. Wow. It's good. This is the number one, the best thing there is. My favorite piece of dim sum. Wow. Good food. Good choice, JD.
Dad,
Wow.
is it good?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Jay, good choice.
Fried rice is fantastic. fantastic. And this chicken thing, these peanuts in here, this sauce is so good. And this is like a half a chicken, so you get breast, you get everything in there.
After the food's done, can I go bouncy castle?
I think we might be able to do the bouncy castle.
Yay!
You want to do the bouncy castle? It's so good.
10 today.
You give this a 10 today? Oh, there's a little foreshadowing.
How does it 90?
The fried rice is so freaking good. It's savory, it's moist. The chicken's so moist. The peanuts are so crunchy. It's not that spicy. It's a little Szechuan. It's like, this is so top tier. And I think it's the best we've ever had.
Nice choice.
Great choice. It's already one of the best meals in a long time. And I haven't even eaten my favorite bite yet. I'm saving the shrimp thing. I want more of everything. I'm gonna eat all of it, JD. The rib is sweet, sour. Oh, you tried the chicken, Liam?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it good? It's so tender, so good. JD, you are eating, baby. Wow, good girl. All right, I think it's time for my bite. You love the pork, huh? Oh yeah, we're coming back. So this is a black sesame rice roll with fried tempura shrimp on the inside. The outside's so soft. The inside is so crispy, so much shrimp flavor. It's just so much contrast. They're doing it today. They are crushing today. I learned my lesson too, because with that shrimp thing, I used to order 2 or 3 dishes for the table so we'd have as much as we want, but that's too much. It's good to order 1 plate and then you kind of really savor the bite you get of it.
Sounds amazing.
The fried rice?
The fried rice is fantastic. I can't believe it. We'll see, we'll see. Well, he might have the same thing when he turns 10. We'll find out.
Daddy, get off of my watch I ordered.
I'm sorry, and it doesn't matter because this is the best meal I can remember in a while. I think I like the chicken better, but I would get the pork again for sure.
Jay made some good choices.
Oh, Jay did make some good, both of Jay's things today really good, and we never had them before. Thank you. Top tier.
I like the rib.
Amazing.
Oh, I'm so
So full. I don't know if the other thing's coming. Maybe it's not.
So delicious.
Yes, worth the wait. Did you have one of these black things, JD?
Trying to.
You want to try a little piece?
Good.
That's one of the best things.
Yeah.
You like it?
But the black thing tastes nothing.
It's like a noodle.
Yeah.
Like a rice noodle. This whole meal, there's 1 vegetable on the table. There's 1 piece of bok choy. It's like there's 1 piece of bok choy that came with a noodle. That's it. Maybe I'll give it to my wife. Would you like the bok choy? I know you would. Can I have the other rice roll, please? JD doesn't want to eat it. I'll frickin' eat that. Frickin' amazing. Everybody went to the bathroom and I keep eating. Oh my goodness. Okay, come on. Joy. We were hoping they forgot about this one because we're full, but we must try it. This is another one that JD ordered. Crispy dumpling with the ginger soy. This took a while. This is probably 15 minutes after we got our food already, so it's a little late, but we'll see. Also good. Here's the secret. Take some of that Szechuan and the peanut, then we go in. Now we cooking.
Hi, Dada.
What up, Rosa?
The dumplings. Jay, the dumplings, they came. They got something under them.
It's like a ginger soy sauce. I know it's a soy sauce, but we don't want to get it on your shirt. Keep your shirt. You look so cute and so pretty. It's a little, you can bite it. Chicken's so good. It's amazing. The fried rice is great.
I felt like the green one's good.
I mean, I think this is the best fried rice I've ever had. Definitely that I can remember. And is it the best thing on the table? I don't know. It's hard for me to say the fried rice is the best thing on the table, but it's great.
The chicken too.
The chicken's great. It's juicy, be careful. It's not a soup dumpling, but it's juicy. You're so full, but you always got room for noodle, huh?
This is it.
Yeah, it's a really good pick.
Can I go to the bouncy castle now?
The bouncy castle? Yeah, let's finish eating, paying, and then maybe we'll bounce on the castle a little bit and then we'll get dessert. That sound good? Sound good? What did you want to say? You want to say ding ding? You can say that. You want to get the check? Jay's gonna get the check. Jay's sliding under the table. Now I made that soup dumpling. I'm gonna try to make the pulled noodle. I think I can do it. Now I got a boost of confidence with my soup dumpling skill. Extraordinarily delicious, never cheap, but it's worth it. Except for the tea. That was 2 orders of tea. Yeah, so that was $1 per person on tea.
But you can refill that as much as you
Well, I better drink another pot then. Total is 1.2 million, so this is about $48, around there, 45, 48. And we'll ask everybody when we're done, but this is a damn good meal here, damn good meal. The fried rice, the 160,000, but that was worth it, man, top tier. Jay, do you want to pay the people? But dude, I'm done. Full. So good. My wife is over here just freaking out about this meal. So you appreciate the peanuts in there too?
I did not even eat the peanut.
I ate all the peanuts. Try eat a peanut. They're so good. They're crispy.
Peanut never my
I know, but this I really like it. But maybe it's good. You don't like the peanuts. That's great news to me. Let me eat. I'll eat all of them.
Okay.
Did you do it?
Nervous.
You got nervous? That's okay. Don't worry, baby. Don't worry. How about you? The girl she gave it to was very happy because she was so sweet.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, she's a good manager. Yes.
Who?
The service here, the manager's good. It's very good. My wife couldn't leave a bite on the table. She's taking everything home. Liam, let me ask you, buddy. What did you think, little bruh?
Really good act.
Would you come back?
Yeah, definitely.
Favorite thing on the table?
Probably the fried rice.
And how many points?
For this, I'll give it a 9.9.
Lady, birthday girl, 5-year-old princess, sweet baby girl who I love so much with all my heart. Did you like this?
Yeah.
Would you come back?
Yeah.
Favorite thing on the table?
Favorite fried rice.
Fried rice, and how about a point?
9.5.
Good score. Em ơi, muốn chơi. Cái này bao nhiêu con? 100 nha. Ok, cho 2 con. Wow. Hooray!
Nó được nha, nếu mà chút nữa mình có đi á, xong rồi mình quay lại chơi, mình đưa cái này cho mấy bạn á, thì mấy bạn vẫn cho mình vô chơi vẫn được.
Come here, head. Come sao. All right, let me see. Woo! Hooray! Your turn now, bruh. He's regrouping. He's gaining his energy. He's ready for his final performance. Liam Ragnar Kubanov. Boom. Oh my God, we've been here for hours. We've been here for hours. Jesus, I'm exhausted. What did you think about our wonderful lunch today? Do you remember being interviewed by your sweet husband? I think she's done too. Look at her, she's out. Would you come back?
Yes.
What was your favorite thing on the table?
It's hard to say. Everything is good.
Yes, it was.
I definitely come back and I will give it 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I don't think my wife has given a 10 out of 10. I don't remember if it's ever happened. Hold on, let me help the kids with the ice cream. Holy crap, we're getting ice cream. Liam, bada bing. Beautiful. Come on. Tiramisu, milk. You want to try mine? Let's try it. Okay, so a 10 out of 10. Hi, oh wow. Pretty amazing score.
Yeah, we beat them many times, but I just feel like this time one of the best times. Every time it was good. Today is a different level. I don't just.
Well, that shrimp and rice and chicken thing is always great, and we never had the fried rice and pork, so that was great. Would I go back? Yes. Favorite dish on the table?
I think to me the chicken is the best. I always love it.
The chicken's great, but that black shrimp thing is so good. I think the best bite is the black noodle with the shrimp on it. But my favorite dish could be the chicken or even the fried rice. The fried rice was so good. Crazy. Regardless, I think it's a 10. I thought it was incredible, so it's got to be a 10. It was the best we've ever had it. It was fantastic. Yeah, highly recommend it. There's multiple locations of the Jade Palace around the city. So if D7 or this location's far, there's more. But definitely go try it. Super good. JD, what do you think about your ice cream? Good. Any special words to say about being 5 years old? You like it? Okay, great.
Are you happy to be 5?
Mommy and Daddy are not happy for her to be 5.
Sad.
We're very sad. So if you think we should have another baby, put it down in the comments below.
We love baby, but 3 baby is perfect for me.
For her. 5 is 6, 7 is perfect for me. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, give us a comment down below. Anything at all, please. Comments, very important. Help us grow, feed the algorithm. And if you want to go on a food tour with me, check out chatkeepitoff.com. Until next time, see you later. Peace.